Got the underlayment down and one load of gravel brought in, number 4 white limestone gravel. They're going to get another load now, so we'll have that in. Getting that extra underlayment should be in tomorrow, so we'll have it laid out to there so we can run it all the way out to the driveway. So then we'll have a big circle drive here. Plenty of room for parking, working on the vehicles, or just parking the RVs out in front of the shop. So we got 2 loads of gravel brought in today. That's 60 feet roughly from the building to the end here, and then about 36 feet wide, maybe a little more. And we'll go another 15 feet or so, and then all the way across where the truck is sitting, and then that'll run all the way out. I'll have the underlayment in hopefully tomorrow. I got that kind of smoothed out for right now. Till we get it all in, then I can smooth the whole thing out, make sure it's all good and level. But we're also going to bring it off this side and take it down that way, beside that cedar tree, just to the right of it. Had a circle drive there, but that gravel got soaked up by the ground. It's still under there. You can kind of see it off to the left over here, but it makes a circle all the way around. But that way people can pull up right through here, right up by the front door, up to here, can park. I got 50 amp service right there on the outside. That'll be there in case somebody needs to pull up here and park with the RV, and I'll have 50 amp service right there as well. So I should have 2 good places that you can hook up to 50 amp service, and there will be a water outlet on both ends so you can have water. That's what we got. So if you need power and water, you can hook up here. And of course, if you don't really need that, I've got all that space right over there that you can just back right out there, good level, stay overnight for harvest hosts. So that's what I'm working on. Well, I got all the membrane down for the driveway, waiting on the gravel, and it's right at 100 degrees today, and putting this stuff down was not very fun. But getting the gravel in, so we'll be able to have people park out here without having to worry about getting stuck in the yard. Plus I can get in and out of my shop. I can pull stuff in and out of there. We'll be able to do whatever we need to do here. But our driveway will circle around here now, make a much bigger circle. I did have a little smaller circle. As you can see, it came in here and went around. But now it'll come all the way up in here. That way people can get closer to the house when they come over and they can step on in. Plus I'll have this come straight up the driveway here, so I can park my camper right along the side of our shop here. We're about to start putting tin on the sides and get this enclosed. So that'll all be done. But I do have, like I said, I got a 50 amp service there. I'll have a water spout coming out the side of the wall there. And also I'll have another 50 amp service on this wall on the outside with water there as well. That way I'll have 2 spots where you can back in and hook up. Of course, then I've got, you can see all the way on the other side of the camper, I got a trailer back there, and you can park out in there. You can park anywhere in the yard you want to, as long as you don't have to worry about getting stuck. So yeah, that's what we've been working on, getting this done. So hopefully we'll have some gravel here in just a few minutes, get all that leveled out, then we'll get it packed down good, and it'll be ready. We'll have people coming in and out, won't have to worry about getting stuck. That's the project we're working on today. So I've got all of the rock delivered. Didn't get quite as far with it as I thought I would. Probably could use one more load. But should have a pretty good little way to get people in and out of here, myself included, even with our big 5th wheel. And I don't know if I showed on the side, but I did have a little bit that goes down along the side of the shop here. Just got through spreading it out, making sure I had enough coverage. So that's where mine sits, is back in there in the shade. So I got that pad poured as well. But now I got all this up front here, front of the shop, big full circle drive, ready to go. I'm gonna pull this gravel up out of the yard here. Some of my best grass grew in it, usually how it goes. But I'll get this gravel up out of here, replant some side back out in here now. Should be good to go. Alrighty, thanks for watching. See you on the next project, which will actually probably be putting metal on the building. Started pulling the wrap around. Gonna have some wainscoting on the bottom, and then we'll go up with the rest. So that's the next project at hand. That and finishing off the staining of the house. So I'll be pulling off trim boards around the window, getting them blasted down and restained, and then restaining the house. So got a lot of work to do. Thank y'all for watching. See you on the next one.